First of all, gold H4 time frame technical setup, because from this top that was almost $100 drop, and it is perfect to kill all the retail trader in 2 days, because in these two top crowd psychology was same buy and gold will go $2,000. Last time it reversed from $2 difference. This time it reversed from almost $40 difference. And now price is back on our first previous support level. But based on candlestick closing, it looks that has also broken. So our next big support level is 1807 to 1786. This is your next big support level. And if you draw fib retracement from this bottom to top, then price has not even made 38% retracement, and our 50% retracement is 1787. So that can be maximum if this drop does not stop in upcoming days. But this area is your buy zone, and next upside target is $2100, because trend is still bullish and this is your bottom. And for more clarity why it made top at 1959, daily time frame has clear answer, because from this bottom to top our ABC wave are done based on fib ratio, and wave C has almost made is 38% projection. If 9060 was your strong resistance on daily time frame, then 1807 is your next big support, and that is perfect buying level. But you can manage your risk up to 50% retracement level. That is maximum level gold can go in vertical red candlestick. But after this big drop, which was almost $100, it can make upside correction before it make its next impulsive wave to downside. And fundamental reason why price made top near 1960, I have explained in all detail in past 2 weeks, and that was total vertical in 2 candlestick, and your RSI is now dropped from overbought level. But you as a fearful beginner trader, your 1880 and 1807 were two big support, and if this level also breaks, then there is no support before 1807. And for new fundamental reason which were created after Fed FOMC meeting this week, and if you pay attention to all of his speech since July last year, then he is repeating one thing crystal clear, that they will keep raising interest rate, and if economy collapse, then that is not their problem, but they do not want that inflation goes out of control. And after NFP, which is now back above 500k like magic, the rate hike in March and rate hike in May is now confirmed, because on this top market was expecting zero rate hike in March and May, but now there is 50 basis point more rate hike. And if you see Fed FOMC calendar, then March FOMC meeting is important because of summary of economic projection. Then we will get crystal clear answer that where interest rate will go. Like Fed said in December FOMC meeting that 5.1 terminal rate. And market can still handle March rate hike, but there is all doubt on May rate hike. That may not be possible because by the time we reach September FOMC meeting, Fed cannot hide from monetary policy lag and they will have to stop. All the economic indicator will drop very fast and their game plan already explained in detail. The interest rate has already crossed core PCE, then it will cross PCE, then in last it will cross CPI. And when that thing happen, Fed will start cutting interest rate. And that can happen till September FOMC meeting. And for the news on Friday, we have sentiment number. They are going up, which are varies for gold, and that can be more bearish after that NFP surprise. And before Friday, we have Fed speech, and that will decide what will happen in March FOMC meeting. That is the game that you do not understand. And he will explain his economic plan that this big NFP number above 500k, how this number influence his monetary policy decision. So after this Fed speech, you will get crystal clear answer that where gold will go next. H4 time frame wave counting from this bottom to top. On this top, this was the time when market was expecting that Fed rate hike was last hike and interest rate will pause. But these are insiders who were selling at top and on this sideways correction. But after NFP, that market expectation is now gone and there is one more rate hike in March FOMC meeting has confirmed. And biggest fear for this vertical drop was that another 25 basis point rate hike in May FOMC meeting. But on this time frame, this area between 50 and 61% retracement from 1843 and 1816, because after this vertical drop there is a big possibility that it retrace back, then it make its next move. But Fed speech this week and this entire area between 50 and 61% retracement of this wave C of daily time frame, that is your big support zone. And Fed speech this week will decide next trend of gold. But by September FOMC meeting, this soft landing drama will over and economic indicator can force for rate cut.